Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something that a lot of people are curious about. How many accounts can you open at Capital One? Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would you want more than one account at the same bank? Well, there are actually a few good reasons. Maybe you want to separate your finances for different purposes, like saving for a down payment on a house or paying off debt. Or maybe you're a business owner and you need separate accounts for different aspects of your business. Teaser: in this video, I'm going to answer the question of how many accounts you can open at Capital One, and I'll also give you some tips on how to choose the right type of account for your needs. So, if you're interested in learning more, then keep watching. Types of accounts. Before we get into the specifics of how many accounts you can open, let's take a look at the different types of accounts that Capital One offers. Here are a few of the most popular options. Checking accounts. Checking accounts are great for everyday banking. You can use them to deposit and withdraw money, pay bills, and write checks. Savings accounts. Savings accounts are a great way to save money for the future. They offer higher interest rates than checking accounts, so your money will grow faster. Credit cards. Credit cards can be a convenient way to pay for things, but it's important to use them responsibly. Make sure you pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Certificates of deposit, CDs, are a type of investment that offers a fixed interest rate for a set period of time. They're a good option if you're looking for a safe and reliable way to invest your money. How many accounts can you open? Now, let's get to the question you're all here for. How many accounts can you open at Capital One? The answer is, as many as you want. There is no limit to the number of accounts you can open at Capital One. However, it's important to note that each account will have its own set of fees and terms and conditions. So, be sure to do your research before opening any new accounts. Tips for choosing the right type of account. Now that you know how many accounts you can open, let's talk about how to choose the right type of account for your needs. Here are a few tips. Consider your goals. What are you trying to achieve with your account? Are you looking to save money for a down payment on a house? Are you trying to pay off debt? Or are you just looking for a convenient way to manage your everyday expenses? Compare features and fees. Different types of accounts offer different features and fees. Be sure to compare the features and fees of each account before making a decision. Think about your lifestyle. Consider your lifestyle and how you plan to use your account. For example, if you travel a lot, you may want an account with no foreign transaction fees. Additional considerations. Here are a few other things to keep in mind when opening accounts at Capital One. Account opening limits. Some types of accounts, such as checking accounts, may have account opening limits. For example, you may only be able to open one checking account per household. Identity verification. In order to open an account at Capital One, you will need to provide identification. This may include a driver's license, passport, or other government-issued ID. Terms and conditions. Be sure to read the terms and conditions of each account carefully before opening it. This will help you understand your rights and responsibilities as an account holder. Closing. In this video, we've learned about how many accounts you can open at Capital One, as well as the different types of accounts that are available. We've also discussed some tips for choosing the right type of account for your needs. If you're interested in learning more about Capital One accounts, I encourage you to visit their website or give them a call. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice.